students. Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Subject is maths and standard third. The name of the chapter is coins and currency notes. Students, in India, we use rupees and paise as money. In our daily life, we purchase the required things from a shop and pay money to the shopkeeper for the purchased things. Isn't it? Okay. Money is available in two forms. First one coins and second currency notes. First, we will study about the coins. Coins. The shape and size of coins are changed from time to time. Nowadays, the coins of 10 paisa, 20 paise and 50 paise are not in use. The coins of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees and 10 rupee denominations are mostly in use, isn't it? Now we will go through about the currency notes. Currency notes, the shapes, sizes and designs of these currency notes are changed from time to time. In case of 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee denominations, both coins as well as notes are used. For 10 rupees also, right? Nowadays, we use 1 rupee, 2 rupees and 5 rupees notes rarely. Correct? Now, we will go through the different notes and coins and we'll study about their values. Okay? Now, dear students, see this. This is a symbol for rupees. Nowadays, we have to use this symbol to write rupees. See here how we will write this. See, this is Marathi Ra, like this we have to write here. Okay. This is Marathi Ra. Okay. Then we have to draw a line here. This is nothing but a symbol for rupee. It is not necessary to write R-U-P-E-E-S to write rupees. If we use this symbol, this means we are writing and we are dealing with the money. Okay? Look at the coins and know the values. Okay? We will see here. Yes, what is the value of this coin? 1 rupee. Right. See, this is also 1 rupee. We can see two different coins of 1 rupee. This is 2 rupee coin. This also we can see. Here also we can see the two different coins of 2 rupees. This is a 5 rupee coin. See this. Here also we can see two types. And this is 10 rupee coin. Got this, students? What we say? These are the values of these coins. We will see. These are notes. Okay. This is 5 rupee note, or the value of this note is 5 rupees. One more form is there. See the design and shape and color of these two notes. The values of these notes are rupees 5. Okay. The value of this note is rupees 10. See, this is a new note of rupees 10. But we use both the notes. Some more notes are there. See, this is the 20 rupees note. Means the value of this note is 20 rupees. This one is a new note of rupees 20. This is 50 rupees note. And this is also a new note for rupees 50. Right? This is new 100 rupees note. This one is new 200 rupees note. This is new one again 500 rupees note. The value of this note is rupees 2000. Dear students, you can see the symbol of rupees before the value of that note. Right? Try to use these symbols while writing and dealing with the money matters. Yes, students, we will see what is the total of these coins. Okay. Now, this is a coin of 2 rupees. Means the value of this coin is rupees 2. Correct? Only one coin is there, means it is 2 rupees. One more, then it became 4 rupees. Correct? One more means 6 rupees. One more means plus 2, that is 8 rupees. One more, that is 10 rupees. I am adding 2 to the earlier total. Again 2 rupees coin means that is 12 rupees. One more of 2 rupees value means that is 14 rupees. Yes, one more means that is 16 rupees, isn't it? Means we can see here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 coins of 2 rupees each. Right? So, the total of these coins is equal to rupees 16. Isn't it? Okay. Some more we will add. Here you can see 3 notes and the value of each note is rupees 10. Right? Now what is the total amount or the total value of these 3 notes? That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is rupees 30. Not to tell only 30. You have to tell rupees 30. Okay. Next one again. Here 10 rupees coin is there. 2 10 rupees coin. Then 1 rupee. Here we can see 5 rupee coin. One more 1 rupee coin is there. And one more 1 rupee coin is there. Yes, dear students, please tell me what is the total value of these coins? 10 plus 10 means that is 20. Then we will go this 15. Then 25, 26, 27, 28. Isn't it? The answer is rupees 28. Got this? Dear students, we will see some more coins. This is 5 rupees coin. See this one more 5 rupees coin. 20 rupees note. 5 rupees coin. 1 rupee coin. 2 rupee coins. Okay, what is the total amount or what is the total value of these coins and currency note? How much? Can you tell me? We will take the greater first. This is 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37 and 38. Isn't it? That is rupees 38. Right? Next one. 20 rupees note is there. 1. This is second note. Third note. Fourth. And fifth. Means we can see here a new 20 rupees note. How many notes are there? 5. So you can use here 2's table. 2. This is 4. Means 2 5s are 10 also you can do, or 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Right? This is 100 is the total value of these notes. Isn't it? Yes, here you can see different notes and we have to find out the total amount. See dear students, this is 50 rupees note, new note. This is 20 rupees note and this is again 50 rupees note. So what is the total amount? That is 50 plus 50, 100 plus 20. So the total amount is rupees 120. Isn't it? We can see here a 100 rupee note, correct? And 5 rupees note. So what is the total? You are right. Total amount is equal to rupees 105. Here we can see a 20 rupees note and a 5 rupee note. So the total of these notes is equal to rupees. Yes, dear students. Yes, you are right. That is rupees 25. And here you can see a 200 rupees note and a 50 rupee note. Both together makes a total amount. How much? Rupees 250. Very good. Now here we can see 50 rupee note, one more 50 rupees note, 120 rupee note and 110 rupee coin, 15 rupee coin. What is the total amount? Come on, tell me the answer. Yes, here 50 plus 50, that is 100, and 20 means 120, and plus 10 130, plus 5 means that is rupees 135. Isn't it? Students, I have 10 rupees 4 coins. Okay, means that is 40 rupees, isn't it? And I need change for this. And here you can see 4 students. Now she is Sonali. This one is Raj. And her name is Ankita. And this one is Rohan. They said that we will give the change. Yes, students, I am going to give them 10 rupee coins. Okay, see here. I will give 4 10 rupee coins to 4 of them. And I will see how they will give me the change for these coins. Yes, Sonali said that she is having only 1 rupee coins. And this Raj said that he is having only 2 rupees coins. And this Ankita is having 5 rupees coins. And this Rohan is having all coins of different values. Okay, we will see how they will give me the change for rupees 10. Now Sonali, she gave me 1 rupees, 1 coin, 2 coin, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. She gave me 10 coins of 1 rupee. Is that right? What do you say? 10 coins of 1 rupees, are they equal to 1 coin of 10 rupees? Yes, what do you say? Yes, okay. Then if you say this is right, then I will give this 10 rupee coin to Sonali. Okay, I got 1 10 rupee coin change. Okay, now what about this Raj? We'll see. He is having 2 rupee coins. Okay, Raj, please give me change for rupees 10. Now, he gave me 2 rupees, 1 coin, second coin, third coin, fourth coin, fifth coin. Yes, he gave me 5 coins of 2 rupees. Is that equal to 10 rupees? Yes, correct. Raj gave me 2 rupees valued 5 coins. 2 5s are 10. Correct. Means Raj gave me the proper change for rupees 10. So this 10 rupee coin is for you, Raj. Okay, now we will move to Ankita. Now Ankita is having only 5 rupees coins. Okay, we will see how she will give me the change for rupees 10. Ankita, please give me the change for rupees 10. She gave me 5 rupees 1 coin and 5 rupees second coin. Yes, this is right because 5 plus 5 is nothing but 10. Correct. Thank you, Ankita, for giving me the change for rupees 10. Now, here Rohan is there. Rohan has all coins, means 5 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins and 1 rupee coin. Isn't it? Now, we will see how he will give me the change for rupees 10. Yes, teacher, I am going to give you. See here, he gave me rupees 5, 1 coin. Then this is coin of 2 rupees, 1 rupee coin, one more 1 rupee coin and one more 1 rupee coin. Means he gave me 5 rupees plus 2 rupees, that is 7, plus 1, that is 8, plus 1, that is 9, plus 1 means 10. He also gave me 10 rupees change for rupees 10 with different valued coins. Very good, Rohan. This is for you. Yes. all 4 students passed in this test. Yes, dear students, like this only you also have to do the countings. Okay. Here we can see a book worth rupees 80. The cost of the book is rupees 80. Now here we have to give rupees 80 to the shopkeeper. Then we will see how it can be given. See, 150 rupees note is there. This is 50 and this is 10, means this is 60. One more 10, that is 70, and one more 10, that is 80. Isn't it? This is right. Correct? Here we can see the bag of rupees 480. Okay. Now, how we can give this 480? By using 200, 100 notes. We'll see. This is the 200 note, 200 note. This became 300. One more 100 note means this became 400. Correct? 150 note means it became 450. 20 rupees means that is total is 470 plus 10 means that is 480. Right? Write the total amount in the empty boxes. Yes, some notes we can see. We have to write the total amount in this box. Okay, see there. One 500 rupee note is there, one 200 rupees note, and this is 50 rupees note. Correct? Now 500 plus 200, that is 700, isn't it? Plus 50, that is 750. Correct? Like this you have to add the given notes. One more sum. See here. Go on reading the values of the notes and count the notes. I am going to give you a 1 minute. You have to write the total amount in this box. Got the answer? Okay, we will verify the answer. Here this is 500 rupees note, 100, 100, 100. This is 10 and this is 10. Okay, 500, 600, 700, 800, 810, 820. You got the same answer? Nice. Now here 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 100 rupee, this is 50 rupees note, this is 20 rupees, this is 10, 5 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, one more 1 rupee coin. Yes, students, come on, tell me the total amount. Yes, got the answer? Okay, we will count together. This is 500 plus 200, that is 700. This one is 800, right? Then 850, correct? 870, 880, 885, 886 and 887. Isn't it? What is your answer? You also got the same answer. Then we will write here 887. Okay, nice students. Yes students, now you know the values of different coins and the values of different notes, isn't it? Now in the next week we will go to the shop. You can see this shop. Here we will go, we will purchase pens, pencils, scales, crayons, eraser, fevicol, etc. Okay, whatever you need, all that we will purchase, and we will count the total amount. Okay, and we will give that one to the shopkeeper. Okay, so be ready for the next week. Okay.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.